This is Mike Bergamy with First National Roofing, and it is September the 6th, 2024. We're here at 505 Wildwood Way, Canton, Georgia, in behalf of Mr. Matt Hart. We are the contractors that have been hired to attempt this repair here. I do want to point out a few things. I do have my roof snake here to attempt the repair, my hammer, my sealant when we're done, and I've got 1¼ inch nails as well in here. Just want to point out a few things before we get started. Right here is the acknowledged wind damage shingle. It's actually gone and torn here. I just want to point out a few things. As we look at these shingles, everything is still, sealed down. Nothing has been tampered with. There's no creasing, nothing like that. It's all legit repair there. I am going to continue this repair and find out where this shingle starts and ends at, okay? Okay, so it is going to run. It's going to run from this tab to this tab right here. Okay. Okay, should be it. Oh, I'm still here. That should free us up there. Alright, well, if I could see this real quick, I want to point out a few things. As we're attempting this repair here, you can already start to see, as I come in close, some granule loss here. A little bit of granule loss there. As I'm retrieving these nails, these shingles have torn, trying to get these nails out right there. Here is another spot as well, torn right there. Okay, good there. We're going to continue the repair. got almost didn't use my darn tool. Okay, so I do want to point out a few things here. I've got the new shingle installed. All the nails are in the correct spots here. As we do continue this repair, like I say, complete granule loss there, granule loss here as well. As we come over and look at this shingle here, starting to hit granule loss here. Got the tears that are in here in the shingles. Tears here, a little bit of matting transfer there as well. Let me back out right here. Also, if you could hold these. From doing this repair, these shingles take direct granule loss, as I showed you in the video. But watch as I move this pitch hopper right here. It's just a tons and tons of granules just falling down there. Due to the widespread damage all over the roof here, on multiple facets of the roof, and the 15 years of professional experience that we've had at First National Roofing, this repair is a failed repair attempt due to the direct loss occurring to the surrounding shingles.